How to fix iPhone not charging issue. Well, to fix an iPhone not charging, you want to simply start by cleaning the charging port. So down below you'll get the charging port. You want to clean it with debris. Now do not clean with just any materials. Now I'll recommend you to visit the nearest store and ask them to clean your port. However, if you're unable to do so, or you do not want to visit the store, then what you can do is you can use a small non-metal tool like a toothpick or toothbrush to gently remove any lint or debris. However, do not scratch your port too much. That should be it. You can also look for bends or breaks in the cable and try a different certified cable and see if your iPhone is charging with that different cable. However, if it is not charging with any cable, then it can be the issue with your iPhone. Simply restart your iPhone, and also if the software update is available, make sure you are updated to the latest version by heading into General and Software Update. If you are still unable to fix the issue, unfortunately, you might have to visit the store after all. Hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe.